Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. This is Satish here. Thank you so much for accessing this video. This video is all about combinations for deafness as per Vedic astrology. Okay, so if you thoroughly check your Vedic birth chart, we can even able to understand about what kind of ailments or what kind of diseases that you might encounter depending upon the planetary alignment. Because your sixth house talks about your diseases, debts, enemies, and obstacles. The sixth house in your Vedic birth chart talks about your deafness and also any ailments or any diseases that you face across in the world can be seen from the sixth house. Okay, so if the Lord of second house and Jupiter co-jointly stand in the 12th house. Okay, if the Lord of second house and Jupiter co-jointly placed in the 12th house. 12th house talks about losses, expenses. Okay, so this indicates that the person might become dumb or deaf. Okay, this indicates the person might, and also see, we need to come into conclusion by seeing all the planets into consideration. I'm just giving you certain yogas which may applicable for your birth chart and which may not applicable for your birth chart. Okay, and if the sign occupied happens to be in the own house or exaltation, the evil effects will stand considerably reduced. See, always let me tell you one thing, 6th house Lord happened to be in the 12th house. It's really good combination. Why? Because if at all you have any ailments, if at all you have any diseases, and the disease Lord is placed in the losses, that means the loss of disease happens, which is really good, right? So always it's a good combination to have 6th house Lord placed in the 12th house. Okay, because 12th house talks about losses and the 6th house talks about diseases, obstacles, challenges, and debts. Okay, and another combination I would like to tell you, if the Lord of second house or in the 6th house or the 8th house or the 12th house aspected by a benefic planet, which can be Jupiter, Moon, Venus, or Mercury. Okay, then the native will start talking late in the childhood. You might have come across certain kids who talks little late. Okay, this happens if at all you have the birth chart have this combination. And when the Lord of second house is placed in the eighth house and there it is in the conjunction with Jupiter, then the dumbness will be occur. Okay, the Lord of second house is placed in 8th house and it is in conjunct with the Jupiter, then dumbness will be consequence. Okay, in every case, in every which case the planet is exaltation or in its own house, it will not produce the evil referred to the above. Okay, I'm giving a note for all these combinations. If at all the planet happened to be in the exalted position, if the planet happened to be in a very strong position with the benefic aspect, okay, what are the combinations which I have told you till now will not be applicable. The bad yogas will get cancelled if at all you have a good Raja yogas. Okay, if you have good Raja yogas, if the strength of the planet is really good in your horoscope, then the bad effects will be cancelled. Alright, so that's a note I would like to give you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If at all you need my astrology consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. So please book for astrology consultation because it will enable me to check your birth chart in a more detailed perspective, and I can provide you the predictions accordingly based upon your planetary alignment in your birth chart. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.